Good afternoon, dear students. Now, I will solve some problems on vector and scalars and 1D, 2D motion, rate of velocity, etc. based on. Yesterday I did some problems. Today I will do the residual amount of problems, and from problem number 8 we will address the first problem is as problem number 8. Here what is given? Two paper screen. What is given? You read loudly. Is it visible? Is it visible? This is problem number 8. This is problem number 8. Which one? This is problem number 8. This is problem number 8. Okay. Two paper screens A and B are separated by a distance 200 meters. Very easy. Two paper screens A and B are separated by a distance 200 meters. A bullet passes A and B. The hole in B is 40 centimeters below the hole that is in A. This is screen number A and this is screen number B. Here the bullet passes, and in this way it leaves it leaves the screen B. Okay, so it is very easy. With which velocity? A bullet, this is 20 centimeters to 200 meters. A bullet passes. The hole in B is 40 centimeters below. 40 centimeters means 40 by 100 meter, isn't it? 40 by 100 meter, that means 0.4 meter. Okay, this. So what you have to do here, if the bullet is traveling horizontally, at the time of hitting A, then the velocity of bullet at A is. Then the velocity of bullet at A is. Then you have to, what you have to do? We have to calculate. The velocity of bullet at A is. Very easy. Because the velocity, there is no acceleration along this direction. So we can write 200 meter equals to U into T. The time taken to travel from here to here or here to here is same. Okay. Then this is T. Then what is, this is equation number 1, and here it is H. It is H. H means initially there is no velocity along this direction. That is, U is the velocity along this direction. So U cos of 90 degree into T plus half G into T square. Am I clear or not? Okay. Then this will be 0, or you can say that there is no component of velocity. Only the velocity, only acceleration is a downward direction. So you can write here H equals to half G into T square. What you have to calculate? This is the problem number. This is equation number 2. What you need to calculate? Here it is 0.4. H means 0.4 equals to half G into T square. You have to calculate U, isn't it? U. So put the value to get the result. Half into G into T means 200 square by U square. This means T. T means 200 square by H square. Okay, 200 square by H square and by U square. Okay, and what you can write here? You have to calculate only what? You have to calculate U square. So from these you can come here. What you can write? 4 to the 0.8. 0.8 equals to G means 10. You can write G as 10 or 9.81. 10. And what more you can write? 200 square by U square. Am I clear? Am I clear? And now what you can write? You are able to write like this. U square equals to 10 by 0.8 into 200 square. That means what? That means 10 by 8, 100 by 8 into 2 to the 4 into 10 to the power 4. 10 square into 10 square, that is 10 square 4. What you may write? That is equal to 2. This is nothing but half into 10 to the power 6. Half into 10 to the power 6. Half into 10 to the power 6. Isn't it? This is what? This is what? This is actually what? U square. This is actually U square. Then what is U? What is U? U will be equals to 10 cube by root 2. 10 cube by root 2. Isn't it? 10 cube by root 2. By root 2. And you put the value to get the result. What will be your result? Then the velocity of the bullet. What will be the root 2 means? 1.4 means 1.5. Okay. 1.5 means how much? 1.2 means 1.414 na? 1.414. Nearly this. Which one actually matches with it? 1.514. But is there any mistake anywhere? This is 440 by 100. That means 0.4. 0.4 meter, na? This is also meter. 200 meter. Half G. Is there any mistake? হ্যাঁ না কনসেপ্ট ঠিক আছে একদম কনসেপ্টে কোনো প্রবলেম নেই মানে এখানে 1.4 এটা তো কত ছিল 10 এইটা ছিল আর হচ্ছে 1.4 তাই তো নাকি রে 14 into 0 7 it probably 700 must be the answer কেন 798 হচ্ছে তাই তো প্রায় ওখানে আমার মনে হচ্ছে ওখানে দেয়ার আমি 9.8 না ধরার জন্য মেবি এটা করে দেখ, এটা ডিভাইড করে দেখ, 1000 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করে দেখ, এটাই মানে দিস ইজ দ্য রুল, মানে দেয়ার ইজ নো মিস্টেক ইন মেথড। না ওখানে কি বের করতে বলেছে, ওই ভেলোসিটি বের করতে বলেছিল, দে আপ টু তো ফাইন্ড দ্য দেন দ্য ভেলোসিটি অফ দ্য বুলেট অ্যাট এ, হ্যাঁ 600 হচ্ছে, কত হচ্ছে, কি করে হচ্ছে, না না √2 কত হচ্ছে, √2 মানে হ্যাঁ বললাম তো এটা হবে। ওকে ক্লিয়ার, so actually this is your answer. Okay, should I wipe out this portion? Is it clear to you? Very easy problem. It is very easy problem. Just you may take a photograph even if you so desire. Okay, very easy problem, important problem, very important and easy problem. Okay, I am wiping out this portion. Now what will be the next problem? What is next problem? Tell me the next one. Next one, 9. What it says? 9. Tell me. A projectile is fired at an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal, such that the vertical component of initial velocity is 80 meters per second. Easy. Its time of flight is t. Its velocity at t equals to t/4. Very easy. How you can calculate it? You tell me. Just you see. It is projected. It is projected with which angle? 30. If it is u, the vertical component, what is vertical component? The initial, the vertical component of initial velocity is 80. Okay, then it is u sine 30 degree equals to 80. Simply. Then what it is? Sine 30 degree means sine half equals to 80. That means u equals to 160 meter per second. I don't know whether it is meter per second. Yes, it is meter per second. It is its time of flight. Its time of flight is t. Okay. Then what is the time of flight? Time of flight t means what? I have already derived time of flight. What is time of flight? 0 equals to u sine theta t minus half gt square, then time of flight equals to twice u sine theta by g. So this is a time flight. What? Swastika, twice u sine theta by g is time flight. Okay, and what you have to do? Its velocity at t equals to t/4 has a magnitude nearly. Velocity at t equals to t/4. Velocity at t equals to t/4. Very important problem. Just you see this one. What is the value? You see 2 into 160 into half again. Isn't it? Is it not half? Sine 30 degree half. Then divided by 10. Yes, it will go only 16 will remain. What is t? T equals to t/4. That is 16/4 4, 4 is 16. And what you have to do? What do you have to calculate? You have to calculate the velocity. A velocity, very important. It is velocity at t equals to t by 4. Mostly people will commit mistake. I am showing you what is the velocity. Suppose it reaches a point here. The velocity will be at vertical velocity. Perpendicular velocity will be v equals to u sine 30 degree minus what? What is the velocity at this point? Na? Velocity at this point, that is u sine theta into t. T is given g into t. T means 4. Am I clear? Clear? Then u sine theta means 80 minus 40. That means 40. Vertical velocity. Yes? Mostly people will find this as a result. Just you see, there is no option which matches with this. What is the horizontal velocity? Horizontal velocity v horizontal equals to u cos of 30 degree. Because this velocity will not change at all. So this is the horizontal velocity and this is a vertical velocity. What is the value? U means how much? U means 160 into root 3 by 2 into 80 root 3. Okay? Then the magnitude of velocity resultant will be like this. What is the resultant? Root under v perpendicular square plus v horizontal square. You just do it. What is the value? 80 root 3, isn't it? Perpendicular 1600 plus 28 64 into 3 x square plus b square bx square plus by square. Okay, and what should be the value? Value will be like this: 1600 plus 3 4 12 2 1 3 4 19 00 19200. What should be the value? That is equals to 00 and 6 to 8 9 1 10 9 1 10 1 1 2, isn't it? Okay, 00 6 2 is 8 6 plus 2 8 9 plus 1 10 0 1 1 plus 1 2. Okay, that means how much? 10 root under 208. You do these calculations, you will get the result. This means what? This means what? What should be the result? Tell me. 208. You just take a square root of 208. Take square root of 208. Square root of 208. What will be the value? What is the value? 208? Tell me. 1 2 3 4 40 root under 3 3 के 4 4 16 3 4 12 nearly 1.45 just do it, calculate it. 3.6 প্রায় 3.6 হচ্ছে না 3.6 তো হচ্ছে না 3.6 হ্যাঁ 3.6 ইন্টু এটা বসা 3.6 ইন্টু কত আছে বল ওটা 40 তো আচ্ছা তাহলে 36 কে 4 করে দে 4 4 24 4 হাতে হলো 2 3 4 12 তাহলে 14 কোনটা কাছাকাছি যাচ্ছে ঠিক আছে ওটা হচ্ছে কেন এই ভ্যালুগুলো হয়েছে এই কারণেই একটু টিপিক্যাল প্রবলেম এগুলো ইচ্ছা করে দিয়েছে ওরা কাছাকাছিগুলো বসানোর জন্য দেখছিস তো প্রত্যেকটা প্রবলেমটা এগুলো সবই হচ্ছে যেই মানস নেচারের প্রবলেম যেহেতু অ্যাজ দিস ইয়ার দে হ্যাভ স্টার্টেড throwing their red eyes and typical problems, so I have also started solving typical problems. Okay, this is very important problem. Clear? Then a ball is thrown from the ground with a velocity. A ball is thrown from the ground with a velocity 20 root 3. Do you follow me? The way I am solving the problem is comprehensible to you? Do you follow the problem? A ball is thrown vertically upward direction. Thrown from the ground. Sorry. It's thrown from the ground, making an angle 60 degrees with the horizon. Sorry. The ball will be at a height 40 meter from the ground. After a time t equal to 2 seconds. A ball is thrown from the ground with a velocity this, making an angle this with the horizon. The ball will be at a height 40 meter from the ground. Very easy. Just why you didn't solve the problem? This 60 degree, na? 60 degree, na? Actually scale means na 60 degree, and then what you have to, the path will be parabolic. I have already proved it in the first lecture. Then
the ball will be at the height of 40 meters from the ground.
What they have told you? This is 60 degree, na?
Yes, that is 60.
And what more information they have given?
The ball is at 40
No, with a velocity 20 root 3. This is 20 root 3 meter per second. Okay, and the ball will be at a height 40 meters. Very easy. H equals to U means 20 root 3 U sine of 60 degree minus half G into T square. Am I clear or not? Is it clear or not? Then what is the height? 40. All are in which system? All are in SI system. This is G is also given. G, you may consider G as 10. Okay, no problem. So this is equal to 20 root 3 into sine of 60 degree means how much? Root 3 by 2 minus half G means 10 and T square. What you need to find? You have to find time. Very easy. Just it will be 5, right? 5 T square equals to 20, that is 10. 10, 3 is 3, root 3 into root 3, 30, ut, u sin alpha t minus half G into T square na? What is the word? U sin theta into T, sorry. This is also T, okay. Oh, U T, here also T na? Here it will be T also, UT, H equals to UT plus half T square. UT equals to H equals to UT minus half T square na? What you are doing, Swastika? UT minus half GT square না? বুঝতে পেরেছিস স্বস্তিকা? এবার দেখ, এবার চলে আসবে কত বল? 40 তো? 40 এটা ইকুয়াল টু কত হয় বল? 20 root 3 আর এটা কত? root 3/2 তার সাথে কি আছে? T আছে না? আর কি আছে? 5 T স্কোয়ার আছে না? 5 T স্কোয়ার, এটাকে এদিকে নিয়ে 5 T স্কোয়ার মাইনাস 30 T plus 40 equals to 0, isn't it? ঠিক করলাম তো, রাইট? सही क्या ना? 5 T square, that is 10 half 5 T square. Okay, then you can cancel 5 again. You may write T square minus 60 plus 8 equals to 0. Then what will be the result? T square minus 2 is a million factor. Or you may use either this formula. Okay, what I can write? That will be equals to, see here, T square minus what? 4. Here it is 6. Here it is 2 minus 4T minus 2T means 60 plus 8 equals to 0. T common, T minus 4 and another is minus 2. T minus 4 equals to 0. T equals to 2 and 4. Yes, that is why they have given this problem. That is why why you will cut the another answer. Which one? No. I will tell you. At a height, after a time t, take G equals to this. Actually, making an angle. Actually, there are 2 times where that same height will be there. You see here, one time that is T, another time this is 2, and this is also 2. Both the cases, the height will be same. So here the answer is 2. That is why you are writing here 2. Otherwise, there should be 2 such answer. That must be actually 2 seconds and 4 seconds, because in both the cases height is same. They have not told you the shortest time.
Yes.
They have not told you. Is it anywhere it is told that a ball is thrown vertical with horizontal velocity, the height 40 from the ground after a time, the 40 after a time t, it from the ground. This is also 40. This is also 40, and this is also 40. Okay. Question number 12. Tell me, what is the problem? A cannon ball means a gun.
A person aims a gun.
Oh, this one. A person aims a gun at a bird from a point. Very bad person. Nobody should kill anything, any living object, any living thing. A person aims a gun at a bird from a point at a horizontal distance 10 meter, 100 meter, if the gun can induce a speed this to bullet, at what height above the bird must he aim his gun in order to hit it? Do you follow the problem? Have you understood the problem? They are asking if a person aims a gun at a bird from a point. Suppose a person is here aiming a gun in this way. Okay? At a distance 100 meter, a bird at a distance 100 meter. The bird which is at a distance, horizontal distance 100 meter. Okay? At a horizontal distance 100 meter in this direction, 100 meter. And what you have to find? The bullet at what height above the bird must aim his gun in order to hit it. Above the bird, where the bird is, at what height above the bird? At what height above the bird must he aim his gun in order to hit it? Is it tough at all? Do you know how to solve it? No. Yes, you have to know it. Suppose it is a way. Aiming at the angle, what? At some angle, na? Not that directly. If you hit it in this way, then it will go and in this way. Not height is not given. They have not given the height, only horizontal. So you have to make some angle. What they have told you? At an horizontal distance, if the gun can induce velocity to bullet, at what height above the bird must he aim? Above the bird must he aim? Must he aim মানে এই দিকটা velocity at above the এখানে বাকিটা আছে তাহলে আর করব না আজকে it is your task. Okay, then this will be angle. Okay, easy. Here what they have told you, what height, this is actually 100 meter. You have to do it. It is a home task. I'll tell you, but I help you to solve the problem. 500 meter, second to the power minus 1. Okay? G equals to this. At what height above the bird must he aim? At what height above the bird must he aim? Okay? This is height. Okay? And here you can find H, and this is also perpendicular by base. You can calculate it and show it difference between the two. This and this is your desired height. This is your home task. Today I am closing here. This will remain your home. Tomorrow I will solve it. Home task. Tomorrow I am sure you will be able to solve it. Have you understood? Bird is here. Bird is suppose here. This is the angle. Okay, here is the height. Above the height. Above the height. So you can calculate h equals ut minus half dt square. This is known. This is 100. So you can calculate 500 t equals to 100. T equals to 100 by 500, 1 by 5 second. Then you have to solve. I will solve. Okay, thank you for today.